please welcome with me our, so to say, longest partner. Welcome with me Olaf Lorenz from Konica Minolta on stage. Please give a big hand. Yeah, now it works. Yeah, Olaf, quite a history that we have together. And I'm constantly thinking about this first meeting that we had back then. It was, I think, 5 years ago.
It was 5 years ago.
And I flew over to Konica Minolta HQ in Europe. And we presented what we are doing. And we were still quite young, inexperienced. And so it was the very beginning. And though our lack of experience didn't prevent you from signing a long-term partnership with us. So what was the reason behind that? Why have you put trust in us?
So first of all, welcome everybody. So I'm very glad to be here. And actually for me it's the second time to be on stage. And thank you very much for keeping this long-term partnership with us. So what we have been aiming at the time when we met the first time, actually I didn't know. So I didn't know where we will end up when we signed the first time partnership, but we believed in the inspiration pioneers had and showed to us, and we always have been also believing that the pioneers could be a very strong and powerful platform to drive innovation and drive startup scene forward. And what I think what's been also the beauty of startups in general is that you never know what happened with a startup when the startup is coming up. The only thing which is always good is to see the passion of the idea itself and how things finally create something very big. And that's why Konica Minolta has always been driven by innovations. So that's kind of our genes. And that's why we think the Pioneers platform is a very powerful instrument to drive innovation and drive a future for all of us.
Awesome. So, Olaf, tell us a little bit, what are your experience regarding startups and what are your results so far?
Actually, since we started the journey for looking also into more innovative ideas inside our own company, we founded in global 4 different business innovation centers. These business innovation centers are being driven by different local regions. And the main aim for this startup, or for this business innovation center, is to create, together with the startup scene, some pool of creative ideas and pushing visions and ideas forward. So because of that, we have been looking in different fields and looking together with startups in different fields, such as healthcare, such as the future workplace or digital workplace. We look for 3D and we look for augmented reality, actually.
So listen up, startups. I think we also have some statements here from the startup side, what they say about Konica Minolta. So let's show the video.
Our partnership with Konica Minolta has several reasons. Maybe the most important one is that Konica Minolta invites experts in various fields of AR to collaborate. This collaboration will definitely lead to better products and smarter services for all the participants.
Whereas Wikitude can focus on technology development, on our product development and our rollout, Konica Minolta can really deploy our technology at their customers as part of like a much bigger picture within the workspace of the future. And that's why this combination between Wikitude and Konica Minolta is such a strong one.
So, pretty cool what you achieved in the last years. I remember when you started working together with startups, now you are really in a very, very active development process with many of the startups. So my last question is, what are your expectations for this year's Pioneers Festival?
Actually, let me just come back for this, because the augmented reality is something that has been for us also a very important piece, and we are actively working together with 2 partners. One is Anyline and another one is Wikitude, and actually Wikitude is one of the global leading companies for bringing digital augmented reality for tablets, for smartphone and also for digital eyewear. And actually, if you would like to see how a big corporate like Konica Minolta and a small startup is collaborating, I'd like to invite everybody of you to join tomorrow 3 o'clock in the afternoon, the session inside the Academy, because then we will jointly explain how this partnership will go.
That's good.
Talking about expectation, I think what we expect, of course, we would like to get in touch with all of you. Yeah? So that's why we would like to get more and more innovative ideas into our company. And that's why I like to invite everybody of you to come downstairs at any time to the tech forum. Konica Minolta colleagues from our Business Innovation Center are there and looking forward for joint discussion. And we really would like to unwrap also some more innovative companies into our portfolio, and that's why please join us.
So guys, take the chance. Olaf, have a great festival, and thank you very much again for
Thank you very much.